There was nobody in the department at the time who considered neuropsychology a real discipline, and certainly not part of academic psychology. Today I teach that as a sequence of courses, the first one being a neuroanatomy course with an eye on function, and the second being about really critically thinking about the literature that has become absolutely gigantic since the 1970s and studying human psychological questions through the lens of the brain. I had just finished my postdoctoral fellowship in around 1981 with my mentor, Brendan Marr, at Harvard University. And he asked me if I would teach a course in neuropsychology for the graduate students in the experimental psychopathology program who were finding themselves needing some skills as part of their research placements. I started teaching in the extension school about 25 years ago, the brain and psychology, to look at this issue of how psychology had become much more of a biological science, and how neuroscience had really become a critical paradigm for understanding human behavior. Today things have changed entirely, where most of the field of psychology has really transitioned over to really being part of neuroscience in a way, much more of a neuroscience than a social science. It's pretty interesting. Maybe you'll join me.